Well, you don't have to be in medical school to learn a little bit about medicine. We're at the Little Medical School, and I'm joined now by Gabrielle. And Gabrielle, tell me about the program.
Yeah, so the Little Medical School is actually a franchise that started in the United States in 1998, and we were actually the first ones to bring it over here to Canada about 2 years ago. So we focus on teaching kids about different healthcare careers, so medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, nutrition, and much, much more. We offer it to kids ages 3 to 12, so mainly focusing on two age groups, the preschool kids, so ages 3 to 5, and then older kids ages around 6 to 12.
And what do you teach these young minds?
Yep, so today we are learning about the different bones, but we also learn different doctors' tools. So we've learned about the stethoscope, how to use a reflex hammer, hear our heartbeat, learn what broken bones look like, learn different muscles in the body. Yeah.
You're a kinesiology grad. This is probably not like playing with adult bones and stuff, but is it still fun?
Oh yeah, it's a lot of fun. Definitely keeps you busy on your toes. Yeah.
How do you tailor the different programs to the different age groups?
So with the younger kids, it's definitely a little difficult. You have to use much simpler terms and just make it interactive. So doing different crafts and games, add a lot of coloring in, just keep them busy, keep them entertained for the whole time.
Do you find that they pick up the lessons pretty well?
Yeah, they do actually. They are really engaged for most of the class, especially if it's hands-on things. So using the different tools, working in partners, so listening to each other's heartbeats.
And I saw that you were breaking down the hands of the bones with a little interactive game. I mean, do the games help?
The games definitely do help to keep their minds on task so they're not wandering and distracted by other things in the room.
And do you think that, like, is the goal eventually to get these people on the route to medical school?
Definitely, that would be great. I think we have a lot of future doctors in the room and healthcare professionals.
And likely a couple parents who probably want the same sort of thing?
Definitely, yes.
Awesome. And it looks such a cool program.
Yes, they're having lots of fun.
Our head is bone. What about our arms? Do we have bones in our arms? Yeah. Can you bend your arms like this? And straight. Maddie, can you bend your arms?
Learning medicine at a young age. So what, your daughter Arya is taking the program?
Yes.
Does she like it?
Yeah, she likes it very much.
Tell me about how she's been reacting after learning maybe about muscles or bones.
Yeah, so after the very first class when she came home, she kept asking me, "Mommy, does your hand hurt? Does your head hurt? And just in case if anything hurts, let me know and we can go to the emergency."
What was it like with her imparting the knowledge that she picked up in class?
So she got this small bag with a bandage and thermometer and an earbud. So she was very excited and she showed her brother the bandage and kept asking my son that if you're hurt, I can put this bandage on you. So that was really nice.
Do you think maybe nursing or even medical school is in her future?
I'm not sure.
Has it been interesting to see her learn the different parts of the body? Because I know that they learn bones today, they learn muscles before that.
Yes, so on the very first day, I think they draw a picture of the body and they showed like heart and other parts of the body. And I think she remembered the word heart from there. Like, "Mommy, this is the heart." That's it. Not much information, but yeah, it was nice. Yeah, she's learning new words, new terminologies.
Well, if this class is any indication, it sounds like Arya will be a nurse or a doctor in no time soon.
Maybe.
Start them young if you want it to stick. I'm joined now by Adriana. And Adriana, what did you learn today?
The bones.
What was your favorite part about learning about the bones?
The fingers.
Why did you like learning about the fingers?
Because we were playing a game.
What was the game that you were playing?
The finger game.
Do these go on the hand?
Yeah.
How many fingers do you have?
5.
Adriana, are you going to be a doctor when you grow up?
Yeah.